We had so many fragmented systems. There was a lot of data being moved to Excel sheets to slice it and dice it. So we wanted a solution that really enables a seamless experience for our clients.
I want to achieve a stage in our organization where everybody can be Einstein.
Dubai International Financial Center is the leading global financial center in the Middle East, Africa, and South Asia. We were growing so fast, the digital infrastructure that we had was not supporting that growth.
There was a lot of agile development that needed to be done, which we couldn't keep the pace with. Data was in silos. There were things which were still manual.
We wanted to find something that can increase our internal efficiency, yet also improve the client experience. The Einstein One platform is enabling our sales team to prioritize their leads and speed up the conversion process. It's making our employees super employees. They're powered by AI.
We have been able to augment like a virtual assistant to everyone. So the call center agents, they can use the power of Einstein One service, or the marketing team can use the power of Einstein One marketing to compose their content.
Now it's just reports that we build in Salesforce in a matter of seconds, and I love it.
Our relationship with Salesforce has been aligned with the common values of CRM, AI, data, and trust. I feel like there's somebody who's always by my side. I have Einstein standing next to me and is helping me achieve my goals and the organization goals.
The future is AI, and we're making sure that this roadmap is planned and is clear, and Salesforce has enabled us to do this at a much faster pace with an Einstein One platform.